When a solution of an electrolyte is heated, the conductivity of the solution increases because of electrolytes conduct better, or is it decreases because of increased thermal agitation of solvent molecules? So before attending this question, all of you please understand, electrolyte means it is solute, not the solvent. For example, sodium chloride is dissolved in water. This question is related to sodium chloride, not water, because water is a solvent, sodium chloride is solute. I think also all of you knows that solute is a substance which is added in very minute quantities, and solvent is a substance which is present in larger quantities. Option C, decreases because dissociation of electrolyte is suppressed. Option D, increase because the electrolyte is dissociated more. Option D is the correct answer. The reason is, it's very simple. All of you note it down. When conductivity of the solution increases, on heating because thermal energy is directly converted to dissociation of the electrolyte. Dissociation nature of the electrolyte means the bonds between the positive and negative ions will be broken. So when the dissociation of electrolyte increases, then conductivity of the solution also increases. Therefore, option D is correct.